Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. So friends, this is the second video on insertion sort algorithm. Insertion sort. In first video, we gone through the introduction of the insertion sort, and then it was followed by the examples on the insertion sort. Now in this video, we will elaborate the algorithm on the insertion sort. The steps for the insertion sort algorithm are: step number one, for j gets 2 to n. This means that the outer for loop starts from the second element and it will go to the nth element. Key gets aj. Key is a temporary variable to hold a value temporarily. Number third is I gets j minus 1. I is actually the counter variable for while loop coming in starting in the fourth step, and so I is initialized in the three number step. While I, there are two conditions in for the execution of the while loop. I must be greater than or equal to 1, and second, ai must be greater than or equal to key. If any of these two conditions is false, then the loop will not execute. Start of inner while loop, there are two steps. Step number a, it is ai plus 1 gets ai, and in second step I gets I minus 1. This is I small I, and this is also small I. End of inner while loop, ai plus 1 gets key, and this is the exit, where j is a counter variable of outer for loop to control steps. Key is a variable used to hold the current element and temporarily means which element is to be sorted, which element is to be moved to its proper position. I is a counter variable of inner while loop to control the interchange of elements of array A. So now we will try to execute suppose there are four elements a1, a2, a3 and a4. Size of the array A is 4, and there are some elements like 9, 6, 3 and 10. Okay, now we will implement insertion sort algorithm to sort this array. The first step is for j gets 2 to n. Here n is 4, so this means 2 to 4 means the first value of j is 4. Step number 2, key gets a j. Now j is 2, so key gets a2. a2 means 6. 6 is stored temporarily in the variable key. Step number 3, I gets j minus 1. So j, as j is 2, so I is 2 minus 1, so I is 1. Now step number 4, while I is greater than or equal to 1, the value of I is 1. 1 is greater than or equal to 1, yes, condition is true. And second condition is ai is greater than or equal to key. ai means I value is 1, a1 is greater than or equal to key. Now the key is 6, a1 is 9. 9 is greater than or equal to key, yes, it is greater than or equal to key. So we will execute step A I plus 1 gets a I. I is 1 plus 1, so a 2 gets a I is 1, 1 means the value from a 1 is copied on location 2. Value of a1 is 9. So 9 is moved on second location. So this is the execution. Step number B, I gets I minus 1. I is 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0. Then we go back here. Now the value of I is 0. Is 0 is greater than or equal to 1? No. So condition is false. As condition is false, so loop gets terminated. End of while loop. So we move to step number 5, which is a I plus 1 gets key. Now the value of I is 0. 0 plus 1 means a 1 gets, and the key is 6. So 6 is copied on 9, location number 1, and the result is 6, 9, 3 and 10, and we move from here to this point where the j is incremented to the value 3. So in first step number 1, 6 is moved to its proper, 6 is inserted on its proper location which is 1. Now the value of j becomes 3. So let me erase some not required values, as we have to perform once again. Okay guys, so now the value of j is 3 and the element on location 3 is also 3. So I gets j minus 1, this means 3 minus 1, so the value of I is 2. Now the condition is I 2 is greater than or equal to 1. Yes, I is greater than or equal to 1. Now and also ai, the value of I is 2, is greater than or equal to key. Now which value is on location 2? The value on location 2 is 9. As 9 is greater than or equal to key is 3. Yes, now both conditions are true, so the loop will be executed. The first step of while loop is ai plus 1 gets ai plus 1, I is 2, 2 plus 1 means a3 gets ai, as I is 2, so 3 gets 2. The value on location 3, the value on location 2 is moved on location 3, which is 9. 6, 9, 9 and 0. Okay guys, so now B becomes I gets I minus 1, and I, value of I is 2 minus 1 gets 1. From here we come to this position, 1. So as 1 is greater than or equal to 1, yes, 1 is equal to 1, condition is true. Now for second I need to erase the previous value. So now I is 1, the value on I is I1, A1 is 6. 6 is greater than or equal to key, which is 3. Yes, 6 is greater than or equal to 3. So the loop will be executed once again. Now AI plus 1 gets AI. I's value is 1. 1 plus 1 means 2 gets AI means 1, and the value on A1 is 6. So 6 is copied on location 2. 6 here, 6 also there, 9, and this is 10. Okay guys, now step number B is I gets I minus 1. I gets I minus 1 first. Now we got I1 minus 1, which is 0, so we move 0 here. As 0 is greater than or equal to 1? No, so condition is false, therefore loop gets terminated, and we move to step number 5. In step number 5 we have a I plus 1 gets key. A I is 0 plus 1 gets, the key is 3. So 0 plus 1 is 1. A 1 gets 3. So this means 3 is inserted on first location of the array. From here we move back to this position where j is incremented to 4. Okay, once again I am required to erase some not required things. So this was step number 2, it was step number 1. Now the value of j is incremented to 4. Key gets aj, a4. On a4 we have the value 10. I gets j minus 1. I gets j is 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Now the condition is for while loop to execute is 3 is greater than or equal to 1. Yes, 3 is greater than or equal to 1. Condition is true. Second condition is A3 is greater than or equal to key. Now the value on location 3 is 9, and the value stored temporarily in key is 10. Is 10 greater than or equal to key? No, 10 is not greater than or equal to key. So the while loop is step number A and B, means while loop will not be executed. And we move to step number 5. Step number 5 is AI plus 1 gets key. Okay guys, this is key, and I value is 3 plus 1 means A4 gets the value 10. So 3, 6, 9 and 10 is inserted at the end or the front of the sorted list. So this is the end of outer for loop. We move to this location 5 not allowed, so outer for loop is also executed, is also terminated, and the loop gets exit. Okay guys, this was something about the execution of insertion sort algorithm. uh, Please like my video, subscribe my channel, and also share this video to your friends also. Thank you.